operator, come on, I haven't got all night here.
Oscar! Oscar! Oscar!
Hey,
Oscar!
scram,
Oscar!
Sally. Scram, I'm making an important New Year's Eve phone call here.
Grouches celebrate New Year's Eve?
Well, sure. Every year I call my mom and some other relatives, kind of a Grouch conference call, and we say something very special to each other. Oh, I can't resist. Of course you have to worry. Think about it, Telly. When this year is through, everything you know and love, all those things that are part of a year, the months, the days of the week, the hours, the minutes, the very seconds, everything that makes up a year will be over. Why do you think they throw out old calendars at the end of the year? Because they don't need them anymore. Oh, I enjoyed that. Yeah, it's about time. I gotta talk to my family. Okay, my mom's in Illinois at Slime River 1345. My cousin...
Hold it, slow down. I only have 2 ears. Adorable little seashells that they are. But I only have 2. Now, where were we?
Briefcase.
Hello? Hello? Oscar?
Mom, is that you?
I hope you're having a crummy New Year's Eve, Oscar.
Oh, yeah, I am, Mom.
I just love it when sensitive people reach out and touch each other. 1 ringy-dingy. 2 ringy-dingies.
Hello? Hello? What do you want?
Hey, Uncle Hank.
Hank!
Yeah? What's it to you?
Hey, okay. All right, operator, now we meet my cousin Ethel and cousin Fred.
Time for my breaky-wakey.
Wakey, wakey. What is
What do you
wakey,
mean?
wakey?
Right.
Hey, I'm a busy kind of grunt.
Come on, it's
I
New
don't
Year's
have time
Eve.
for this, you
We
know,
always
okay?
talk together.
Yeah, right.
Hey.
You just leave it.
I don't have to be doing this on New Year's Eve. I could be with attractive people who enjoy my company.
I'm spending a fortune here for you. Hey.
There's a whole meeting over here.
What's the problem here?
Hold it! Go ahead, please. You're all connected.
Okay, now look, we only do this once a year. Come on, with feeling. I love it when the family gets together. Oh no, Slimy! Not you too! Oh.